Hey folks, welcome to Wired to Win, where we take abstract theory and turn it into job site confidence. My name's Will Nemo, Red Seal coach and founder of Red Seal Rescue. Today, I'll walk you through Ohm's law, not just what it means, but how to use it like a pro, both in the field and on the exam. This is the same material I use to help apprentices crush the Red Seal, so let's dive in. Here's our flow for the next 5 minutes. We'll start with a quick Red Seal exam overview. What to expect. Then we'll break down Ohm's law, simple, powerful, essential. I'll walk you through a sample problem. We'll compare series versus parallel circuits and keys for diagnostics. Then, I'll share my 3-pass method to tackle exam questions. Finally, I'll show you a 3-week study strategy that actually works. Let's get started. The Red Seal exam is 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. You've got 4 hours and need a 70% to pass. It's based on the National Occupational Analysis, meaning it reflects what real electricians are expected to know. You're not just memorizing, you're proving mastery. This means understanding concepts like Ohm's law inside and out so you can apply them under pressure. Now, the cornerstone of electrical theory, Ohm's law. This is your go-to equation, voltage equals current times resistance, V equals sine Y times R. Voltage is the push, electric potential. Current is the flow, measured in amps. Resistance is the opposition to that flow, measured in ohms. Here's a quick example. 12 volts divided by 6 ohms equals 2 amps. Simple, right? But this isn't just math. It's how we size circuits, troubleshoot failures, and stay safe on site. Let's apply that knowledge. Here's a sample question. Which of the following best describes a parallel circuit? Is it A, one path only, B, shared current, same voltage, C, series with a switch, D, total resistance equals sum of all? The right answer is B. In a parallel circuit, voltage stays the same across each branch, but the current splits. Total current is the sum of the branches. The total resistance? Always lower than the smallest branch. That's counterintuitive, but critical to remember. Let's break it down further. In a series circuit, there's one path. Same current through all components. Total resistance is just the sum of each resistor. Think of old school Christmas lights. One bulb goes out, the whole thing dies. In a parallel circuit, current has multiple paths. Voltage stays the same across each branch. Total current adds up and total resistance drops. This setup is safer and more efficient, and way more common in modern wiring. Let's shift gears into strategy. The 3-pass method helps you beat time pressure and test anxiety. Pass 1. Answer all the questions you know right away. Don't hesitate. Pass 2. Tackle the harder ones. Skip anything that stalls you. Pass 3. Review flagged questions and make smart guesses. This isn't just about knowledge. It's about execution. You're not just writing the exam. You're running a game plan. Here's the plan I give my Red Seal Rescue students. Week 1. Lock in the basics. Ohm's law, circuits, definitions, code references. Week 2, drill with mock exams and math refreshers. Week 3, focus on mindset, simulation, and repetition. Practice like it's real. This isn't cram and prayer. This is steady, strategic prep that builds confidence. To wrap it up, if you remember nothing else, know the structure of the Red Seal exam. Master fundamentals like Ohm's law. Understand the difference between series and parallel. Use the 3-pass method to stay calm and focused. Follow the 3-week plan and show up ready to wire your future. Thanks for watching. Questions? Let's talk about how you can pass this exam with confidence.